Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a light and delicious dessert recipe that you can digest in 10 minutes. I bought a liter of milk in my pot and 1 tea glass of flour on it. I add 1 glass of flour, a little less sugar and 1 egg yolk from 1 glass of flour and mix it. I cook on low heat by stirring constantly. I add 1 pack of vanilla close to downloading and mix. I close the gold. I add 120 grams of white chocolate and melt it. After the chocolates melt, I add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it to melt in my butter. After my pudding gets a little warm, I add 1 cup of cold water and mix it until it is smooth. I share in glasses. I let it cool a little after sharing. After my pudding gets cold, I put banana slices on it. Finally, I put half a pack of cocoa biscuits that I passed through the robot. I'm fixing it with a spoon. I put some peanuts on them. You can also put coconut if you want. Ready to serve after resting in the refrigerator for 1-2 hours. I came to the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.